Have you ever walked away from a conversation thinking, why can't they just see it the way I do? Tuesdays with Krista, where we choose to thrive. The interesting thing is that your partner has probably asked exactly the same question about you. We often think our greatest challenges is our differences. I found there's something else. It is expecting our partner to think, feel, and respond exactly the way we do. The next time you disagree, pause before trying to defend your point of view. Instead, ask, help me understand how you see it. Because understanding creates connection long before agreement does. This Tuesday, choose curiosity over correction.